Hello, Happy New Year! My name is Matildemona and today we're going to do a bit of a 2025 reset. So that includes doing some tidying up, doing some cleaning up, and probably some digital decluttering as well. But before I start rambling too much, I think we should just get right into it. I started off by tackling the living room. I had a friend stay over for New Year's, so I just needed to set the sofa back into its original shape. As you can probably tell, this was the first day after New Year's Eve, so a lot of my tidying up was related to that. Now what I'm basically reaching for is just a clean slate. I want my apartment to feel manageable and not overwhelming, which is sometimes the case. So even though this first day was mainly just tidying up, it really helped me in creating an overview of what areas needed decluttering. Now before we get too far into this video, I thought I'd do a quick disclaimer. I know a lot of people do journals and intention setting and stuff for the new year. I'm not personally a big fan of that, so this is purely an apartment resetting video. I do, however, have a slogan for the new year, which is my apartment has to feel good, not just good enough. I have had this hobby box for as long as I can remember, but this box is seriously overflowing, so today we are figuring it out. The best thing about decluttering is that you find treasure. I found this bean thingy that I grabbed when I was in Zimbabwe, literally just off the ground, but I just really liked the sound it made, so I kept it and I am not throwing it out today. I considered doing my closet next, but it just seemed too overwhelming at the time, so I went with the entryway instead. I try to declutter my entryway at least a couple times a year, so I don't end up having a huge winter coat taking up space in the summer. Sadly, my entryway can only distract me for so long, so I took a deep breath and went back into the wardrobe. It hasn't been too long since I last decluttered my wardrobe, so it wasn't actually as big of a deal as I thought it would be. So it's been a couple of days since I last filmed, but I still have a lot to do actually. So I think I'm going to take today to just give it my all and get it done. So today I'm going to be vacuuming, I'm going to be mopping the floors, I'm going to be dusting. I need to get rid of some cardboard that has accumulated, and I also have some holes in the ceiling and in the walls that I need to fix, which is not going to take very long, but it's just one of those things that I keep thinking about and never do. So today is the day. Let's get to it. I started off the day by dusting, which is probably one of my least favorite things to do, so I hope you enjoy this montage of me being extremely bored. I was actually quite excited for vacuuming since I had recently bought a new vacuum cleaner. And of course, 5 minutes into using it, it runs out of battery because someone forgot to charge it. So I started charging the vacuum cleaner and quickly moved on to the next task. If you're wondering what's going on in this clip, it is just me trying to figure out if I can actually reach the hole in the wall or if I need a taller chair to stand on. So this putty is super difficult to work with. It's like so firm, I can almost not get it out of the tube. So of course I dropped it right on my leather chair, and yeah, I have tried to wash it away. It's probably gonna be fine, right? Yeah, let's get back to it. Okay, so next up I have a hole in the ceiling right here from when I had a projector up, and actually also 2 holes here in the frame because I also had a projector here because it seemed more safe. Let's try again. That was pretty good. Now, the dangerous one. I don't know if the camera can see this, but I'm standing in like the windowsill, is that what it's called? And there's about 1 meter from my feet to the ground, so best I don't step out and face palm into the floor. Okay, here we go. Hi. I just realized there's a hole more over there. There's no way I'm going to reach that. Right. Like if I hold onto this. Nope. It's not going to happen. I can live with that for a couple more years. It's fine. Okay, so I filled out all the holes in the ceiling and the wall except for that tiny one that I just noticed when I was up there. There's 2 more over there. Well, that's gonna be next year. That's gonna be next year. I have to wait about 30 minutes for it to dry, then I can sand it down a bit and then eventually paint. But now I am going to get rid of the cardboard, and then I'm just going to wait until the vacuum has more battery. I am now done with everything except for vacuuming and mopping. So I just need to wait for the vacuum to get some more power, and it's probably gonna take some time, so I'll see you again in the evening. Hello again, I just wanted to quickly wrap up this video by saying thank you so much for watching. It's been really nice to finally go through my apartment and make it kind of fresh and ready for the new year. I have a couple more videos planned this year and I hope I can be a bit more consistent in uploading them. So if that is something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, yada yada yada. Yeah, thank you for watching all the way to the end and I will see you in my next one. Bye!